now. He has the real understanding कि इस pitch में क्या है.
पिच उसने खाया, बोला अच्छा नहीं लगा, रोलर मारो, सी करके दो क्रिप से.
We won, but of course the two goats have announced their retirement, Rohit and
Oh, I
Kohli.
thought you were going to say Sanjay Manjrekar and Gavaskar.
Dude,
Series.
tournament economy 4.17.
बुमराह को देख के मेरे को पहली बार समझ आया the meaning of like the force is with you. Jasprit Bumrah, never forget.
वो ट्रॉफी छोड़ ही नहीं रहा था and then he was holding Rohit's hand when he gave it him.
उसके दिमाग में फ्लैशबैक आया
शरद पवार.
मैं भी ताली देने वाला था, but my hands are overworked
Oh
after
my
last
God.
night, and this is not an innuendo. It's because we are the champions,
my friend.
champion. Oh my God. Okay, it is
Unbelievable.
next
It's
day after the match.
Yes, and it is, by the way, episode 7. Thala for a reason.
Thala, and we win by 7 runs.
7
Thala
runs.
for a reason.
It's always
Literally,
Thala,
That's my
dude.
first point. We win by 7 runs.
What a way to take it away from the
Thala.
two guys.
Of course, it's the internet.
We did it, guys.
Oh
Finally.
my God.
Finally avoided the tag of ultimate chokers.
Ultimate chokers versus chokers of the decade.
Yeah.
Okay, I am happy that हमारे पास ये decade में
Yes.
एक कप वापस हो चुका है.
हो
अभी
गया.
अगले 10 साल जितना compilation वीडियो बनाना है, जो गाना डालना है, हैंस जिमर डालना
We
है,
have all of it.
अरिजीत सिंह लोफाई
Footage.
लहरा दो.
Footage तो है अभी.
फुटेज अपने पास अभी 10 सालों के लिए है.
अभी हार्दिक का crying footage we can run anytime.
Anytime,
It's
and
there
during
with
good
us.
or bad times.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like
It's timeless.
Timeless gold meme.
Yeah.
Like, you know, gold mine of memes.
And it reflects the country's emotions perfectly. By the way, this is cricket. We didn't say that. I'm Shamik.
Yes, I'm Siddharth. Yes.
And this is what we were hoping for. The alternative
yeah.
would have been very sad, this episode, honestly.
yeah. Last night I was.
Yeah.
Okay, but before we start, I'll just want to say thank you. We've touched one episode 1,000+ views.
Oh my God, thank you
और
guys.
बाकी पे भी 700-800 लोग चल रहे हैं. तो तुम
हाँ.
लोग पहली बात तो तुम लोग कौन हो, ठीक है, और तुम लोग क्यों सुन रहे हो, हमें
please
बता
let us
दो,
know.
ठीक है. और
Comments में बताओ.
कमेंट्स में बताओ थोड़ा यार. हम लोग को देखो, अंतरिक्ष ने हमें एक डेडलाइन दी हुई है, हमारा जो प्रोड्यूसर है, जो ये सब फैंसी चीजें करके, इट हैज टू बी वर्थ माय टाइम. ओके, सो देयर इट्स अ रेस अगेंस्ट टाइम एट दिस
Yeah, he's driving his gold-plated Rolls-Royce here every day to help us out.
Yeah, so you guys need to give him like value,
reason.
yeah,
Yes.
reason, you know,
हाँ.
अंतरिक्ष for a reason. Okay, so हमें आपको कमेंट करके आपको 1 महीने में इतना वायरल करना है
Yes.
कि he's like, oh man, this is the best podcast I've worked on.
Wow.
Yes, okay, that was a small pitch, but coming back to
Can we talk about what happened yesterday, bro?
oh shit. So I am little hungover. I'm having coffee. Not sponsor, but Tim Hortons, if you want to sponsor.
Yeah,
really
please.
like their cold coffee with almond milk and sugar free.
Yeah, we are open for sponsorship. We'll put your branding on our faces.
Face
if you
also.
want.
I'll be Tim and he'll be Hortons. Okay, तो पहले तो
Yeah.
where were you?
Where was I when the world changed?
Antariksh, where were you?
I was at home,
At
oh
home?
my god.
Home.
watching it with family, fiance.
Wow.
तो फिर अभी भी शादी कायम है उसके बाद भी. After that 30 balls, 30 runs.
She was supporting South Africa.
She what?
No, of course.
Yeah.
I've never recommended someone not get married before.
Yeah. But imagine like you're watching it with your fiance and then 30 balls में 30 chain, you give up hope.
Yeah.
And then she's like, this is a red flag.
Yeah.
ये अब भी give up कर दिया अगर.
Dude, I mean,
So-
I was that red flag yesterday.
Even I
30
was.
of 30, guys, it was over. Then it was 27 of 28, less than a runner ball.
Yeah.
But I have to say, over here, Barbados, home of Rihanna, by the way, perfect because we had lost hope. Except Shea Hope, he is from Barbados only.
He's also from Barbados.
Yeah. सब research किया मैंने.
Never lose
for
hope.
this joke.
But this Barbados joke.
Speaking of Rihanna, we found love in a hopeless place. And we proved ourselves. 24 runs in 1 over and then 22 runs in 5 overs. How is
Oh
that
my
even
God.
possible?
That is.
How did we
have
do it?
defied laws of cricket. I
Absolutely.
think cricket खत्म हो चुका है कल
वो
के बाद.
विन प्रेडिक्टर आया था क्या कि
कुछ 3.3 something पे चल रहा था. I think.
वो भी थोड़ा
3.8.
इंडिया फेवर करके 3.3 होगा. There's no way.
Otherwise it should be 0.
Zero था, dude.
The books are closed.
Yeah, it's over. It's over. I'm sure people left the ground. Some people.
हाँ,
हो गया होगा.
कि बट बार्बाडोस है ना, तो ट्रैफिक का उनको इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
that's true.
चल के ही पहुंचना है जहाँ जा रहे हैं वो लोग.
Everything is a stone's
Small
throw
island,
away.
yeah.
या जाके ओशन में ही जंप मारना है.
जंप करना है. बट अगर मैंने लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा देखा है पहली बार, कि मैंने कल देखा है कि सॉफ्ट बॉय विराट कोहली एंड अल्फा मेल द्रविड, that deadly, like I was like, my world has flipped. I think after this year I am going to have 6-pack and I'm going to be a millionaire.
Yeah,
because the times are changing, the energy of the universe, and you know, everything is in retrograde.
Seriously, Dravid was मतलब Conor McGregor energy में उठाया ट्रॉफी की UFC title. And on the other hand, Virat was quite subdued.
I want to thank God.
हाँ, एक दो soft bencho था in the slow mos. That was तो
mandatory. But those are fine ना, soft benchos are like क्या ही है उसके लिए.
That was cute only.
हाँ. दो तो वो अपने फोन पे दे रहा था. ऐसे ही.
But what a bittersweet moment though, because we won, but of course the two goats have announced their retirement, Rohit and Kohli.
Oh, I thought you were going to say Sanjay Manjrekar and Gavaskar.
Yeah, I was hoping. I was going to say कि I'm waiting for the third one, Gavaskar, to say कि हो गया है मेरा. But they are still going strong.
Yeah.
Fortunately, sorry, whichever you want to choose.
Yeah, it's unfortunate only. Fortunate तो नहीं है. I think ये 1000 लोग
The sunny never sets on the cricket empire.
But I want to tell you, when we needed 30. Okay, so where did you watch the match?
Dude, mine was because of the last World Cup final, November 19, the memories are very strong. हम एक साथ ही देख रहे थे. If you remember, we were working on during the World Cup.
Yeah.
A project which ended in a disaster because of the way the World Cup ended in a way. And so after that, I was like, मैं इस बार semi-final तक I watched every ball pretty much of India. But I was like, final में I will just audit the game, survey करूँगा, because because I was like, I don't want the disappointment. Also, एक होता है ना, as a fan you think कि I am somehow influencing this. मैंने सब देखा इसलिए हारे हैं.
मैं शनि हूँ.
हाँ, मैं शनि हूँ.
शनि चक्रवर्ती.
And then I did stop. I was doing sports. मैं stand up कर रहा था कल. And then when I saw 30 of 30, I'm like, ये भी नहीं काम किया, dude.
Oh shit.
नहीं देखा, फिर भी हार रहे हैं. But I was on stage.
Maybe
when
I should kill myself.
Yeah, I was very close. I was like, I'll do this for Virat and Rohit. Don't retire. एक और chance दे मुझे. But thankfully, Bumrah came and the rest is history. Everybody became Bumrah after that.
Yeah.
All the bowlers. Fucking Arshdeep
And
I was
Hardik Pandya also.
I was basically on stage when we won.
Oh.
It was 12 of 4 it became. When Rabada nicked it and it went for
4. Yeah.
That's
like
when
that,
I got on stage and I heard sounds from outside. That's how I knew we
outside
won.
on the road.
And I was like, वो शाहरुख खान and चक दे वो मौला मेरे I started crying
Stage पे
on stage. They're like, how is this funny? Audience is thinking हम तो क्रिकेट नहीं देखते इसलिए आए इधर.
तू क्या कर रहा है? एक तो ऑडियंस आई है मैच की. मैं खुद नहीं गया हूँ कल स्टेज पे.
हाँ, प्लीज टेल अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस.
So I went to my gymkhana. मतलब I don't go there often. But वहाँ पे गए और वहाँ पे फुल हाई टेस्टोस्टेरोन मेल एनर्जी चल रही थी. वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान को गाली पड़ रही थी for no reason. बीच में
stray bullets, Pakistan catching strays.
So that was happening. And then when we, एक तो सूर्या को पहले बहुत गाली पड़ रही थी. Of course, because 3 रन पे आउट हो गया. I have a friend जिसके पास जर्सी है जिसपे सूर्या की सिग्नेचर है. बोला जला दो ये जला दो. और फिर जैसे ही मैच जीती, बोला मैं तो फेंक रहा हूँ ये भाई. बोल रहा he was like कि भाई मैं तो घर अभी बिना टी शर्ट जाने वाला हूँ. और लिटरली बोला बारिश में चल के जाऊंगा मैं यहाँ से, so that no one can see my tears.
Oh my God.
Like ऐसे हाल. बोला मैं उर्फी जावेद बन के जा रहा हूँ. माहिम का उर्फी जावेद. And like this is the emotion. और जैसे हम लोग जीते, सब टी शर्ट उतार रहे हैं. And you know how in gymkhanas there's like always like weird characters.
Yeah.
We have one uncle जो बहुत मतलब गुटखा खाता है और he's a fat guy. और मतलब no fat has nothing to do with it.
Sure.
But वो अपना टी शर्ट उतार दिया पूरा.
After victory.
And I'm saying he's like in his like mid-60s at least. वो निकाल के
Shit, dude.
और उसका पूरा गुटखा शर्ट में पूरा मतलब पिचक गया. And you're like, oh,
lovely. These are the images of victory.
Of
I love.
victory. Yeah, exactly.
Good car running down your chest.
Yeah, that was my visual.
Yeah,
I was like, but I'll take anything for India.
Yeah, I was waiting for Rohit also to take off the t-shirt, but
Yeah.
we didn't get that that money shot. We
Oh
didn't
man,
get
yeah, the bear board.
the bear board, the big bear. By the way, Rohit announced retirement, or I think it's a good time from T20, that is, because वो उसके बाद pitch खाया, as you pointed out to me. I don't think that's good for you.
Yeah.
पेट खराब तो होगा, microbiome पूरा disbalance हो गया है उसका.
पूरा ही उसने बड़ा अच्छा भी हो सकता है.
हो सकता
You
है.
never know. Djokovic भी खाता है मट्टी.
That is true, और वो
Yeah.
जीतते रहता है वो.
हाँ, तो maybe.
पर जोकोविच ग्रास खाता है dude.
हाँ,
वो
इसने
उसके
तो
नीचे का मट्टी नहीं खाता.
ये तो पिच खा रहा था.
हाँ, और जोकोविच के पिच पे लेदर बॉल बाउंस नहीं किया है तो 2000 बार.
पिच उसने खाया, बोला अच्छा नहीं लगा, रोलर मारो. थोड़ा अलग, थोड़ा क्रिप्सी करके दो, क्रिप्सी.
No one can do a pitch report like Rohit now. He has the real understanding कि इस पिच में क्या है.
अरे थोड़ा खट्टा है पिच. If I won the toss, I would put salt first.
Oh man.
अरे dude, but I'll tell you, like, I think, like, you know, when you're watching cricket with
हाँ.
boys,
Yeah.
मतलब it's the closest like straight men come to feeling gay, you know,
For
like
sure.
we all hate each
We
other
are gay
so much.
for India's victory.
For India's victory, like
Yeah.
हम टी-शर्ट उतार रहे हैं, एक
Yeah.
दूसरे को हक कर रहे हैं, ताली
Absolutely.
बजा रहे हैं, you know,
It's good.
It's like, yeah, it's like animal, but like in a positive animal.
The movie Animal?
The movie Animal.
हाँ, मतलब the feelings he has towards his dad.
Which
we
we are
have
towards cricketers and each other also. Like
Yeah.
we're all touching each other.
Yeah, it is daddy. They are our daddies in that moment.
So yeah, Pap, Rohit, Meri Jaan.
How many copyright strikes this episode में? लहरा दो हो गया, ये हो गया.
Champions
We
हो गया.
found love and hopeless place हो गया.
Oh shit.
We are, bring it on. Record labels, we are taking you on
Yeah,
directly.
come on guys. It's a head-to-head after PewDiePie and T-Series. It's crickheads versus the music barons.
It'll cut to 1 week from now. ये पूरा episode mute में है. सिर्फ video है online. Transcript पढ़ के समझना पड़ रहा है लोगों को. But dude, can we once take a step back and say it's over and it was awesome the way it happened?
Yeah.
But I was just thinking, we have never won a major tournament like where we thrashed the other
Yeah.
team. It's always been nervousness.
Yeah.
Will we win? Will we lose?
Yeah.
Every single time.
Yeah.
Dude.
But this time also it was that.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying कि change ही नहीं होता है.
Change ही नहीं
Like
होता,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया जब फाइनल आती है तो फाइनल इज almost a formality उनके लिए.
yeah.
उन लोग खत्म कर देते हैं.
Dude, मैं इतना मेरे को तो लगा था, पहले तो मेरे को लगा था कि स्पिन हम लोग के किल कर देगा.
हाँ, वो पूरा
ठीक है?
उल्टा हुआ.
पूरा उल्टा हो गया बिकॉज स्पिन कुछ था ही नहीं.
हाँ,
मतलब
सीधा
हो ही नहीं
मार
रहा था.
दिया.
सॉरी,
Yeah.
सीधा मारे जा रहे थे वो लोग. एक तो प्रॉपर इट वाज अ टीम, लाइक इफ यू लुक एट द
Yes.
एंटायर टूर्नामेंट,
Yes.
ठीक है, मतलब पहले रोहित चल रहा है,
Yeah.
रोहित नहीं चल रहा है,
फिर
लेकिन
चला.
फिर ऋषभ पंत चलने लग गया,
Correct.
फिर रोहित चला,
हाँ.
और फिर विराट लास्ट में आके
हाँ, स्काई भी चला. फिर फाइनल में ये तीनों नहीं चले. द वंस हु स्कोर्ड फॉर पंत, रोहित एंड
और दुबे
स्काई.
चल गया, जिसको व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी, नॉट
Yeah.
व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी,
Yeah.
सॉरी, बट लाइक क्रिकेट व्हाट्सएप सर्कल्स में बोल रहे हैं कि निकालो इसको,
हाँ.
रिंकू को लेके आ जाओ. लाइक कल तो ऐसी ऐसी टीम बन रही थी. मैं लाइक आई एम ऑन अ फ्यू क्रिकेट ग्रुप्स बिकॉज आई प्ले, आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल गली क्रिकेटर. ओके,
ऑक्सीमोरॉन.
सो वहाँ पे कल तो ऐसे ऐसे बात हो रही थी कि शिवम दुबे को निकालो, रिंकू को लेके आओ, बट आई थिंक द्रविड विल थ्रो बाउंसर, ही विल गेट यशस्वी टू ओपन.
Oh,
ऐसी
out of
सारी,
nowhere.
लाइक ये बीमर डाला उसने अपने आप को. तो ये सारी बातें चल रही
Dude,
थी.
ये तो कभी नहीं स्टॉप हुआ. बिकॉज टुडे आई सॉ, यू आर राइट, कि all the people who are getting hate, including Hardik, let's not forget, इतना hate मिला है उसको.
हाँ.
कल से people have been like, all hate deleted, Hardik. We are
yeah.
back on your side. ये सब. But one guy is still getting hate. मैंने देखा online. KL राहुल, थैंक यू फॉर नॉट बीइंग इन टीम. अभी भी ट्वीट कर रहे हैं, पूरा लिस्ट कर रहे हैं लोग कि ये टूर्नामेंट में ही वाज देयर हमारे. I'm like, भाई जिसको रेस्ट करने दे आज.
उसको तो चिल मारने दो यार, वो आएगा.
Poor लोकेश.
उसको बेचारे को ऑलरेडी केला बुलाए जा रहे थे तुम लोग. बट मेरे को एक चीज वही, मतलब बात, लाइक यू नो, जब मेरे साथ तो एक्चुअली एक बहुत लाइक सो ओके, मैं मतलब ट्राई कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में हेल्दी रहने को, ये वो, ठीक है. मैं लिटरली मैच देख रहा हूँ, मैंने स्टर फ्राइड चिकन ऑर्डर किया, लाइक यू नो, आई विल नॉट ईट एनी कार्ब्स और एनीथिंग, एंड वहाँ पे सामने चिकन चिली राइस ये सब पड़ा हुआ है. देन वी नीड अ 30 of 30 एंड have you? I've not done this drug called DMT.
Yeah, no.
You know, you've
No,
done it.
I know about
you
it.
know
I've never
about it.
done
You
it.
know what it is? Like,
It's horse tranquilizer, right?
no.
That's ketamine.
Haan,
Sorry.
yeah. This is like a whatever, some enzyme in the body when either you're born or when you're dying or something.
Okay, it's
So,
this thing,
it's a-
right? Hallucinogenic type.
Yeah. It is like not hallucinogenic. Like उसको क्या बोलते हैं? अंतरिक्ष LSD को क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ, LSD, yeah. Psychoactive, हाँ,
Psychoactive
yeah.
substance. हाँ, नहीं but
it's-
psychedelic.
Yeah, same.
तूने क्या बोला था?
Hallucinogenic.
हाँ,
It makes you hallucinate.
Yeah, of course. Sorry, guys. But वही है.
हाँ.
तो उससे क्या होता है कि आदमी वो जो भी however they consume it और उसके बाद like वो चलता है 15 मिनट या 20 मिनट.
Yes,
And
short
that
time.
feels like a lifetime.
Yes.
And yesterday 30 of 30 was
True.
nothing but a DMT trip
It
for
was a
me.
DMT trip.
Because I went through that entire experience. Like I went through a whole chain of thoughts.
Yeah.
Which started from what is like, why do I watch this?
Yeah.
What is cricket? Who are these men that are batting in some other part of the world that I'm watching through a TV and I am getting affected so much?
That is true.
Over here, what is a country? Okay, like what is country? They are just borders. You know, what is this blue? What is this yellow? Like I like went through this whole like, you know, like I think I aged like some 3 years in those 30 balls.
This is not DMT. This is a drug called coping mechanism.
Yeah.
Right.
I've
been through this November 19th when I was like, guys, this is a chance for other sports to shine in India. Huh? Finally, India will football.
Yeah.
ये सब सोचने लगा मैं.
India will be good at football.
Yeah. नहीं, very good तो पता नहीं, but they'll start thinking about it. अभी नीरज कितना दूर फेंक रहा है, यही कर रहेंगे सब.
नीरज तो ऐड में भी आ रहा है मस्त विग लगा के.
हाँ, dude.
इसका बनता है अभी.
अरे यार.
नीरज को करो अभी जाके.
हाँ.
But you're right. You know, मेरे को भी यही फीलिंग्स आ रही थी कल, लाइक ये हो क्या रहा है. मैं सच में सोच रहा था कल कि मैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन सपोर्टर बन जाऊं क्या, बिकॉज 10 साल में मैं 3 बार डिसअपॉइंट होऊंगा एक डेकेड में एट बेस्ट.
ट्रू.
बट मैं 3 बार खुश भी होऊंगा.
उनका हिट रेट बहुत हाई है.
हाँ, और अनएक्सपेक्टेड खुशी. इमेजिन 19 नवंबर को तुम ऑस्ट्रेलिया को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो अगर.
Dude, greatest ever. Dude, we forget how much of a favorite they were in that. Dude, they were. Everyone had said India. India. How much of favorites India were.
Nobody said
no one said Australia
ever.
We destroyed them earlier in the tournament also. But anyway, fuck Australia. I will say if it was 30 of 30 and it was against Australia, let's be honest.
It would be 0 in 18 balls required.
It would be in 2 overs. It would be over. Mentally, we would have lost. And it's all about mentally we didn't lose because we were like...
Because we had, you know, like how there's a good forward I got, like how Sachin out हो गया क्या was the question. अभी सवाल होता है कि बुमराह के कितने ओवर बाकी है. Imagine a sport where batsmen are dominating. You know, you get Bumrah as the man of the series.
Tournament economy 4.17.
Yeah, it's like he's on a different planet. Like, you know, like Bumrah को देख के मेरे को पहली बार समझा है the meaning of like the force is with you. You know, like
he's a fucking Jedi master.
He's on a different planet. He's like,
and he's like, you understand how good he is. No one takes a chance with him.
Yeah.
That over he bowled the 16th and 18th instead of normally 17, 19 करता है. That 16th over, even like no one, they were like, we'll play this one out. फिर क्या हुआ उसके बाद? I think Arshdeep.
So I think they took I think only 2 runs in one of those overs.
Yeah, 4 and 2. 4 and then 2.
And then 2
में वो एक विकेट भी गया.
हाँ, विकेट भी गया. एक तो मतलब मेरे को ये डिलीवरी समझ में नहीं आती है, like off spin faster one. Like I can't call it a cutter anymore. Because it's like pitching outside off and then it's hitting leg.
Flying into leg.
Yeah, it's like some bhaji bowling at 145. Like off cutter faster one.
He's a hybrid bowler.
Yeah, and matlab he's bowling with like red ball style, like getting top of like the opener that he got.
Oh my god, that was Hendricks that wicket was. I'll never forget that, dude. That moment.
Jasprit Bumrah, never forget.
Never forget.
I think he deserves the title, you know.
Yeah,
like,
he's so like, good ki we are actually a comedy podcast, but we are just praising him right now. We have nothing.
Yeah, we have no analysis.
Yeah.
We don't know the scruffy side of the ball. Nothing. How the ball will reverse.
Yeah.
Like none of that stuff.
Yeah, we just want to just go and hug him. That's all.
Yeah,
make a statue of Bumrah.
Yeah.
And fucking put it up. Wherever.
He should get a post. Like I feel like he's like Admiral Bumrah.
Yeah,
you know, like he's like a
shoulder
pay.
Rank लगा देंगे.
Rank and stars, and every time he comes out of bowl, it should be like a like a gun salute first before
Seriously.
every over.
I also think we should totally manage Bumrah. Like he should not play most tournaments.
Yeah.
Keep him only for the big ones.
Yeah.
Before the big tournament, एक tournament for warm up and
और
then
जाके
throw him.
खेलो.
That's it.
Keep the hunger alive.
Yes, like this IPL was all setting him up for this. It feels
Yeah.
like, and he peaked. Ekdam. This is
Yeah,
the best. Bumrah has bowled, and Bumrah is always good.
Yeah, he's
Like,
always bowled well.
Yeah.
And but this is another Bumrah that we are seeing in
Yeah.
T20s, which
clutch that to in like main important moments.
Yeah.
We knew, like the fact that we knew ki he will not let us down. It's we had thought game is over 30
Yeah.
of 30, but I was like ye over to at least niklega.
Yeah.
We'll pull it back a little bit.
literally when Bumrah bowled those overs,
Yeah.
मेरे दिल में एक ही बात चल रही थी जो मैं बोलूंगा, but like संजना भाभी हटो.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
हम सबको बैठना है actually. It's a long line
Long
right now.
line लगी. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. But having said that, जब हार्दिक ने last over डाला, I'm like, नताशा भाभी तो हटी हुई है.
Oh shit.
Oh man, I had to say that. It was
Also
in me.
boundary rope भी थोड़ा हटा हुआ था honestly, but we won't go into that.
Yeah.
What a catch.
शामिक, why do you ruin? सुबह में आके मेरे को वीडियो दिखा रहा है कि अगर आप क्लोजली तो देखेगा अगर.
अरे मेरे को किसी ने भेजा डूड, अभी
कौन
क्या
है
करूं
ये?
मैं. अरे इंटरनेट पे मिल जाते हैं.
इंटरनेट पे ऐसे
इंटरनेट ने
लोगों
भेजा
को
मेरे
मार
को.
डालना चाहिए हमें.
बट द पॉइंट इज दैट given the context, बाहर अभी भी celebrations चल रही. If you heard
हाँ,
that horn.
horn.
Given the context, this is the greatest catch
Okay.
ever.
Sorry. Yes. you
Given
tell
the
me.
context, this is the
हाँ.
greatest catch ever. Surya Kumar Yadav.
So,
Like
it
we've
was-
seen catches like that in cricket, but think about the occasion.
The
I
pressure
remember
situation.
Trent Bolt ने लिया था, but then he had stepped on the rope. Do you remember in that crazy World Cup final against England? The
Semi-final.
The best
just
World
the
Cup final.
Oh yeah. हाँ.
Trent Bolt had caught one, and then it was like he had stepped to
Stepped on-
लगान हो गया था
Yeah,
उसके साथ basically, which we predicted लगान होगा, and it kind of in a way happened.
Yeah.
बारिश भी हुई when
Yeah.
last over. It was just that we won
Yeah.
while bowling, but it doesn't matter.
वो तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
The major events were correct.
एक तो इनफैक्ट हम लोग इतना इसके बारे में बात करें, हम भूल ही गए कि हमने इंग्लैंड से सेमीज में कितना बड़ा बदला निकलवाया.
Seriously, dude, we forgot about England.
forgot
dude.
about England.
Simon already went back. अभी कौन सोच रहा है उनके बारे में?
And अक्सर catch people don't care about
Oh,
it
yeah,
anymore.
dude.
Like which was I think the catch of the tournament. उससे better catch मेरे को नहीं लगता ये tournament में.
But वो तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया गेम्स था.
Oh shit.
तेरे सर में
Oh
सब
my
mix हो गया.
God, मेरे
That
दिमाग में
वो
सब
हो गया
mix
है,
हो
वो
चुका है.
previous episode में है.
Oh
already.
yes. Okay, my bad.
हाँ.
Can you show some of the clips?
Oh, sorry.
yes.
We have Antriksh has made all this, and we've only shown one so
shown
far,
one photo.
and he's really hurt by
Give me
this.
1 second, guys. I'm just connecting my laptop. This is a photo. Look at this, guys. The ultimate, the captain.
Yeah.
Look at this photo, man. The ultimate captain, our main
Yes.
skipper, Jay Shah, naughty secretary.
Our skipper and Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma.
Standing
Oh my.
with the flag. I don't know. Don't you feel like उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा screen time मिला है honestly
Bro,
कल?
कल मैं मतलब हर मैच में मैं बता सकता हूँ, you watch any match,
Yeah.
okay, there is Jay Shah sitting,
Yeah.
side में रॉजर बिनी
Roger
बैठा है,
Binney, yeah.
and it is framed, every frame of the cameraman is framed that he is in the center,
Yeah,
the
वो-
secretary is in the center.
उनका rider है वो.
वही
rider
जिसका
में.
काम है बोलना, रॉजर are you free from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Yeah, the secretary is the real boss.
is the real boss over here, ठीक है.
Also-
उसको हर जगह लोग यही सब कराए.
हाँ.
एंड या लाइक ये फोटो मैंने इनफैक्ट मैं कल जब देख रहा था ये वीडियो के टाइम पे, लुक एट हाउ जय शाह इज होल्डिंग द फ्लैग. लाइक
Seriously.
ऐसे लग रहा है वही जीता है हमें.
हाँ. और सैफरन पे ही हाथ है बाय द वे. बट एनीवे, इट्स लाइक वी आर कॉलोनाइजिंग अदर कंट्रीज
Yeah.
यूजिंग क्रिकेट नाउ.
Yeah.
ऐसे लग रहा है, व्हिच इज काइंड ऑफ ट्रू बिकॉज हम ही देखने
हम ही
आते हैं.
देखने जा रहे हैं.
But also, I remember when he gave the trophy, if you notice, if you guys saw,
हाँ.
वो trophy छोड़ ही नहीं रहा था.
हाँ.
And then he was holding Rohit's hand when he gave it. I'm like,
फिर उसके दिमाग में फ्लैशबैक आया टू
शरद
शरद पवार,
Damian Martin, उसको push करके निकाला.
भाग जाता हूँ. एंड द वे ही वाज रनिंग, यू सॉ दैट, लाइक यार
यार तू क्या सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है? ओके, अच्छा स्क्रीन प्ले लिखा है, मतलब
मतलब
क्या?
हाँ, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट और मजा आया स्क्रिप्ट देखकर. हैव यू सीन दैट मीम, द स्क्रिप्ट वन?
Yeah, script one.
Script one also. and then even he's given the medal.
Yeah.
He's given the medal to Surya for that catch.
Oh yeah.
उसने दिया था ये medal.
Dude, मतलब I feel like we get it, India, we own cricket.
Yes.
But जय शाह से तुम सारे medals और trophy दिलाओगे. Just why do we want to spell it out कि हम ही है?
हम ही है.
किसी और से दे दो भाई.
और हम में भी बहुत ही specific लोग हैं.
Yes,
Because
yes.
secretary आज के अगर तुम लोग cricket के fan हो, name 3 secretaries of BCCI without googling. You know.
Yeah.
And tell me who is Roger Binney without
Yeah.
googling as
Seriously.
well. You know.
When he should have much more fame.
Yeah.
Only one of these two has won a World Cup.
Yeah. I mean, the other one also has won now.
So now he has. Fair
Because
enough.
Ravi Shastri, when he, and literally this is what the comment, Ravi Shastri ने पता है क्या बोला? And there's Jay Shah, the Nostradamus of cricket. Because,
That's a real reveal.
Paul the Jay.
Oh
Because
my God.
he apparently predicted, मतलब he didn't predict it.
Predicted,
But he said कि लोग मुझे पूछते, have you seen that video? His
नहीं.
like 6-7 months back
नहीं,
video.
नहीं, क्या?
कि लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप के बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे. मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि वो 19 नवंबर हमारे, लेकिन बारबेडॉस में कप हमारा होगा. Which honestly, would you call someone Nostradamus if you say India is favorites going into a World Cup?
No, that's just like betting on a blue chip company.
Yeah,
कि हो ही
exactly.
जाएगा
Oh,
eventually.
HDFC Bank is doing really well,
Yeah,
man.
It's not really a prediction, but also considering the control he has
Yeah.
on cricket,
Yeah.
it's not something you should say. Because थोड़ा suspicious तो लगता है.
Suspicious भी लगता है. और इवन इसने भी बोला कि रोहित शर्मा ने पोस्ट मैच तुझेगा
नहीं,
पोस्ट
बोला,
मैच
क्या
उसने बोला कि
फर्स्टली 4 बार उसको इंटरव्यू किया, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. They talked so many times, मतलब
कि अलग क्या और
हाँ,
सुनने के
उनका
लिए.
पॉडकास्ट वाज लॉन्गर देन आवर्स. हाँ, बट क्या बोला उसने?
उसने बोला देखो गाइस, मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि जो होना है वो होगा. यू नो, सब लिखा हुआ होता है.
ओह,
बट जब हमें पता होगा अगर लिखा हुआ है तो हम फील्ड पे फिर जाएंगे, अरे हाँ ये तो लिखा हुआ है. लाइक oh shit,
भाई क्या क्या हिंट्स दे
ये क्या, हाँ ये जय शाह बॉब वुलमर करने वाला है क्या? जल्दी लाइक.
Dude, forget the most important thing is yesterday night we won. We'll never forget that moment.
Never forget.
ये सब हम बोल रहे हैं because this is our job to
Yeah.
to counter the narrative.
The narrative, but
But Jay Shah ko to we are not. Yeah, we you know what we feel about him.
and guys, all the rumors, Mumbai Indian rumors have to now rest in peace.
What a great moment chosen by Rohit. He
Rohit.
planned this out कि while he's on camera इसको ये
जाके-
खत्म कर देता है, ये beef
ये
whatever.
beef खत्म हो गई अब.
Now
ये chicken खत्म कर दो because beef is banned.
Do you think शिवसेना का भी होने वाला है ऐसा? दो factions.
दो factions साथ में. Yeah, there are talks about
Oh
that.
my
Yeah,
God.
like it's and we know, like, you know, politics reflects society and society reflects politics.
Absolutely, it's a non-stop cycle, feedback
Yes.
loop.
So Uddhav and Eknath coming together.
इस पे meme बना.
Meme बनाना ready हो गया.
But this is really all of us right now after
Yeah.
this. और ये this mustache look is also very very nicely chosen by our man Hardik. It's
Hardik.
reminding us of 83.
Yes.
सब लोग का ऐसे ही look था. You want to sing it again?
लहरा दो. Wait, I want to sing the next line also.
Oh, yeah.
okay, wait. Without this photo, but otherwise there are too many tabs open and you will see my joke.
Bedroom TV. Whoa.
Oh, it was my bedroom TV first. Now it's my living room TV. It's really up the ante in life.
Whichever room it's in is the bedroom, dude.
Oh, that's right, guys. Everything's a bedroom. Okay. लहरा दो गर्दिश गर्दिश में फिर अपने सरज़मीं का परचम लहरा दो.
What is this New Jersey version
This
of
is
the
a
song?
this is a Bangalore version.
This is the
this is let's
Netrawalkar version of the song.
of the song. Which is like let's roll the tongue on the R's. Okay, I'm thinking which other photo. Okay, Jay Shah is done. Okay, now photo, guys. Bring all your tissue paper together because it's about to happen. It's about to happen, guys. Get it. You need it. There are a lot of fluids running. And
Oh my
that's
God.
right, guys. Roko ने सबको ठोको.
What a feeling. What a feeling to see these two guys
Yeah.
leaving on a high. They are leaving, which is, I think, is the right time.
It's the right time.
People
yeah.
are emotional and we are also, but
Yeah, but end on a high.
plus
you know?
Gautam Gambhir aa raha hai, so one of them was going to leave for sure.
Anyway, yeah, like graceful exit, voluntary retirement
Yeah,
service.
and also really happy for Dravid. Finally, World Cup. This is the first World Cup.
I think
he's
this is
ever
this
picked
is
up.
the first time I'm seeing Dravid with a cup. लाइक इन जनरल मैंने उसको कभी चाय भी पीते हुए नहीं देखा है लाइक
हाँ सिर्फ जैम है घर में.
मैन बट द्रविड लाइक एक तो सॉफ्ट बॉय कोहली era I think has started now.
Yeah, they switched.
Yes,
वो Freaky Friday हो गया उन लोगों का.
Ajnabi I was going to say, but okay.
That's sorry, better reference.
Better reference.
More popular.
Yeah, like मैं आज से मैं अल्फा और तू सॉफ्ट. You know, but द्रविड को वैसे देख के लग रहा था like okay, द्रविड is a human being.
Yes.
Okay, and he like I'm sure like you know वो social media उसका explore feed was not as clean as we would have thought.
Yeah, we realized अच्छा there is another Dravid.
There is another
He's hidden
Dravid.
it from us.
Yeah.
He really went crazy. Even in that group photo वो ground पे गिर के he was screaming so much that Kohli started pointing कि पागल हो गया.
पागल हो गया, माता चढ़ गई थी यार
ये तो
उसमें
मैं
कल.
करता हूँ ये normally.
Yeah.
And it was a great moment. I don't know how to end this episode. इतना अच्छा चला है कि we're just I would just say stare at these two guys.
Stare at these two guys, get all the tissue paper,
Yeah.
you will need it.
And they are retiring, but we plan to keep going. So please,
Yes.
next episode the World Cup will be done. Don't forget us.
Don't forget us also.
We're going to do a lot of more crazy, funny stuff now because. Oh no, sorry. The biggest tour is coming up. This is all a warm up for the Zimbabwe tour, right? India versus Zimbabwe, guys. Don't forget.
And oh wait, I think
where is it streaming on some? I don't know.
It will fan code or
10
something.
Sports or
10
something.
Even fan code has like those buy matches.
It's on Sony Live. I remember now. It's on Sony
It's on
Live.
Sony Live, but one more photo, of course. How could we forget?
Oh my God! This is the moment.
Surya Dada.
Dude.
Every time I have to project something on screen, मेरे को डर लगता है मेरा रियान पराग ना हो जाए. It's like next time शामिक करेगा, ठीक है.
Shit. भाई मेरा तो पूरा history delete. I'll download a new browser first. ठीक है, we'll start from Opera Mini. But dude, do you think if this went for 6, it would have been 10 or 5? Do you think we would have won after that?
It
With
would have
Miller
been
still around,
it
would have been
tough.
fucking tough.
But I still feel we would have won. Okay.
I think the calls
because
would
I
have
feel
been
like-
made.
yeah.
कि थोड़ा modify करना है plan.
I mean देख अगर तुम 30 of 30 से 16 of 6 लेकर आ गए हो,
True.
तो आई थिंक एक तो पहली बात हम वही मतलब जीत गए हैं.
Correct.
I feel
Mentally we have won.
that.
Yeah.
Plus मैं थोड़ा ओके चलो मैं मैच के पहले मैं बताऊंगा बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक था. मैं बोला 125 ऑल आउट करेंगे और मैं बोला स्पिनर्स खत्म कर देंगे इनको.
Yeah.
और मेरे को नहीं पता क्रिकेट, ठीक है, बट आई न्यू कि विकेट में कुछ ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
बट आई स्टिल हैड सम नेक्स्ट
also-
लेवल फेथ ऑन माय स्पिनर्स.
I also knew कि 176 in a final is a pretty solid score in this ground. 200 Australia hit 200 this tournament, but once in a final 176
is like
runs
yeah.
on the board usually.
I
that's
always
enough.
think like final 160 170 is like above par score.
I think
actually.
it's the highest score in a T20 final. ऐसे कुछ बोल World Cup
हाँ,
final
क्या?
ऐसे कुछ बोल रहे थे. Ravi
Okay.
Shastri was saying something. I
Okay.
don't know how many pegs he was down when he said it, but बोला तो था.
And even Rohit, I think 50 T20 wins as a captain.
Wow.
Highest for any.
What a sweet stat to add to your
yeah.
one last half century,
Yeah.
and then he's out.
So no, I feel like 10 ball maybe I think like sorry 10
10
run
of 5
10 of
we
5
were
also
still won it.
I have a feeling because मैं honestly बताऊं तो मैं बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट किया. मैं बोला 125 ऑल आउट हो जाएगी साउथ अफ्रीका. आई एम लाइक वो हमने 10 रन एक्स्ट्रा दे दी है, ठीक है.
seriously.
लाइक यू नो शायद डिक्लेयर ही ना कर दे हम 19th ओवर में कि गाइस कम बैक, यू नो.
Yeah.
बेन स्टोक्स मोमेंट फ्रॉम द एशेस.
But you know why the match was so close, right? Because we had to win by how many runs?
Yes, Salah for a reason.
It's always MSD, dude. He's around. He's there in spirit.
But I feel but okay regardless of मैं जैसा भी अंडर एस्टिमेट किया साउथ अफ्रीका को, Klaasen you have to give it up to him because I feel like in that position to play in that kind of a momentum, if you look at the match पूरे मैं पता एक ओवर के लिए रुका था कि यहाँ पे मेरे को ना एक बाउंड्री नहीं मिले. Every over there was a 4 or a 6
Yeah.
singles were on.
Yeah.
बहुत कम डॉट बॉल दिए. आई थिंक इंडिया ने ज्यादा डॉट बॉल दिए होंगे,
Yeah.
you know, apart from the last 5 overs.
Correct.
And I feel that Miller in general doesn't perform that well against India.
Yeah, I've noticed that. He's great in
Yeah,
IPL
De Kock
usually.
also I don't think उतना करता है. Klaasen मुझे भी वही लगा था कि नहीं करेगा,
I
but उसने
was
कर लिया. But
always
अगर
scared of Klaasen because when he hits it, it's like he takes the pitch out of the equation. He just smashes it.
He smashes
so
it
far.
So dude, outside the stadium and it's clean.
Yeah.
Like एक भी six ऐसे नहीं लगता है कि.
Yeah, I honestly think one or two more balls of Klaasen we would have lost the game. That's how close we were to losing.
Yeah.
That his wicket was also a crazy way to
Yeah,
get
it
out.
wasn't even a good ball or
Yeah.
anything. Like we just got him on a bad ball.
I
on
mean,
a
I
cutter.
think सब लिखा है like whoever Jaysha
Whoever
who has
said.
I think Hrithik said in जिंदगी ना मिलेगी first वहीं से सब लोग ने उठाया है.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, होता है ना सब कुछ लिखा है dude. अंतरिक्ष you know this dude.
अंतरिक्ष बता क्या है?
अरे बोलता है ना.
सब कुछ लिखा है कौन सा
अरे
सब कुछ
जिंदगी
ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
ना मिलेगी में in the bar he keeps saying ना सब कुछ लिखा है.
सब कुछ लिखा है by जावेद अख्तर.
That's right.
तूने कुछ नहीं
Which
लिखा.
is true. सब भी लिखा है जावेद अख्तर ने. मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल भी लिख दिया है.
And that is the final victory. I am just seeing कि मेरे पास कुछ और है बोलने को, क्योंकि मैं कल इतना इमोशनल हो गया था. मैं तुम लोगों को क्या बताऊं गाइस. मैं ऑनेस्टली हाँ सॉरी
Yes.
सेलिब्रेशन.
Yeah.
तो मैं जा रहा हूँ डांस करने रास्ते पे. डोंट आस्क मी वेयर. आई डोंट रिवील इट फॉर लाइक पर्सनल प्रोटेक्शन रीजंस. मीरा रोड में मैं कल डांस कर रहा था, और वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा कोहली का एफिजी लेके आया एक आदमी.
Okay.
एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस इज ग्रेट, बिकॉज अगर ये हारे होते तो ये आदमी जला रहा होता. बट अब जी जीते हैं तो एफिजी की काफी ज्यादा मतलब
उसका लाइफ स्पैन बढ़ा दिया until the
उसने.
next big tournament.
हाँ, और मैंने उसके साथ फोटो ली है. लाइक मी एंड माय फ्रेंड्स. मैं फोटो भेजूंगा, तुम
Nice.
डाल सकते हो. एफिजी के साथ हम फोटो ले रहे
we'll put it up.
हैं. लाइक बस पैर काट देना बस उसके. पैर मत दिखा देना, तो उनको लगेगा हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप के बाद कोहली के साथ फोटो ले रहे हैं. 30 balls, 30 runs. I eat chicken chili rice. Then match gets over. Then I'm having whiskey. उसके बाद मैं फुल रवि भाई बन गया कल रात को. अभी इसके लिए हैंगओवर में मैं चल रहा हूँ. मेरे को पता भी नहीं मैं कैसे 15 मिनट पहले उठा हूँ मैं एपिसोड के. मैं बिस्किट आइसक्रीम खा रहा हूँ. मैं पिज्ज़ा खा रहा हूँ. आई वाज लाइक डूड आज तो सब बनता है. बिकॉज ये लास्ट 2011 में हुआ था. एंड अगर ये डेकेड में एक बार हो रहा है तो मेक इट काउंट.
Man, now that you say that, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मैं आज पीने वाला हूँ. I think I have to make up for
it.
And that's my plan today.
और अभी तो तू मैच चला के पी सकता है. 30 ball 30 पे पीना स्टार्ट कर. And take one shot for every dot ball.
अरे बाप रे.
Drinking game guys.
Take one shot for every dot ball. I'll be dead before Hardik Pandya is over.
But also, okay, one thing also like I want to say is like Jasprit Bumrah, like मतलब उसको देख के ना थोड़ा डर लगता है मेरे को. बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक उसने अपना बॉडी पे, अपने शक्ल पे उसने इतनी दाढ़ी डाल दी है. ठीक है कि उसकी बैरली उसकी शक्ल दिख रही है, और उसकी दाढ़ी भी यहाँ
तक है.
हाँ, और उसकी दाढ़ी अगर यहाँ पे भी देखेगा ना तो लाइक इट्स लाइक नॉट कम्प्लीटली
dude with every
like shaped or anything. ऐसे लग रहा है वो उग रहा है यहाँ पे. He's like that. Who was the mustache player from Australia? The old player.
Oh, the Graham Gooch.
No,
that's the British. Marsh.
Is it
Rodney Marsh?
Is it Rodney Marsh? No, it's not Rodney.
Dennis Lilly also had a mustache, but not like that. इतना बड़ा.
Oh, I think
Dennis Lilly had a mustache.
Also had a mustache,
but not
okay.
like a crazy one.
I'm forgetting who I'm talking about. But anyway, but I feel like he's that version of a player of modern game.
With every crazy.
And I think वो अपना ball भी यहाँ पे मतलब like scruffy side on my face.
क्या face एक लूफा.
Let's get it reverse swinging right in front of the cameras. No sandpaper, nothing.
Yeah, he looks like you don't want to fuck with this guy. And with every
Kookaburra Gillette Mark 3.
With every dot ball उसका एक और नया जगह से beard उग रहा है.
So yeah, overall I think
this is going to be a momentous moment. We finally did it.
Yes.
2011 के बाद you're saying, but keep in mind कि T20 में this is after 2007, so 17 years.
17 years.
I can't believe it's been that long since.
And especially World Cups happen every 2 years.
Yeah. This one, there's been so many in the middle.
Sweet victory, guys.
Sweet victory, but we just want to say कि the fun will really start now. Because so far we've been talking about the World Cup.
IDFC First Bank Series.
Yes. That's where the real comedy happens.
Cycle Agarbatti Series.
So next
TVS
tune
Motors.
in next week, because we don't know yet what we're going to talk about, but it's going to be crazy. I promise that.
All the way live from Harare.
That's right. वो तो भाई अभी 3 हफ्ते बाद है
अच्छा,
तो
3
उससे
हफ्ते है।
पहले we will talk about our cricket experiences,
Yes.
our memories,
हाँ.
some really controversial opinions
Yes,
are going
if
to
you
be
have
dropped.
any things you want us to talk about, I
Yeah.
think I started watching cricket in 2003
Yeah,
properly when I was 10 years old. उसके पहले का थोड़ा vaguely याद है.
मेरे
And
को
of
भी
course
याद है.
सचिन के शारजा इनिंग्स मैंने 10 स्पोर्ट्स पे बहुत बार देखे हैं.
हाँ, और NatWest final हम सबको
NatWest
याद है
final,
because
yeah,
that
sorry,
is
sorry, NatWest
that
final
is
was
the
my
Suryavansham of cricket that
yeah,
keeps repeating
yeah.
on TV.
So yeah,
Yeah,
so
मोहम्मद कैफ के बारे में कुछ पूछना है,
पूछना
पूछ सकते
है.
हो.
2007 or 8 when was the Australia series? The Monkey Gate one. उसके बारे
Oh,
में कुछ
Monkey Gate, yes, of
yes,
course.
उसके बारे में कुछ पूछना है.
Yeah, that horrible Sydney test,
Yes.
which only one team played in the spirit of the
Spirit
game.
of the game.
उसके बारे में पूछना
कुछ
है.
भी whatever you want us to talk about हम लोग बात करेंगे.
Yeah.
कुछ ज्यादा सीरियस सवाल नहीं हो तो बेटर है.
हाँ, cricket playing experiences पे
yes,
कुछ है.
as a professional gully boy.
Yeah.
Let me tell you guys.
Yeah.
We have a lot of things, and of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Smash the like button.
Smash भाई तोड़ दो अपना लैपटॉप through and through.
India won, dude. जैसे एक लैपटॉप नहीं तोड़ सकते.
Come on यार, देश
Do
के लिए
it, dude.
देश प्रेम बचा ही नहीं यार लोगों में.
Seriously,
अभी.
dude.
लोग like button नहीं
Prove
मारते.
it to us, all right?
Yes, and CFBR.
Any dates you guys want to plug? Maybe?
शो डेट्स अभी तो नहीं है फिलहाल. Anything to plug, but we shall plug
वो
it.
बोलना है क्या?
Oh yes, I have a show actually. If you are in Mangalore, I am performing there on the 13th of July. Me and Shrija Chaturvedi doing
Nice.
half an hour each.
Nice.
Mangalore, not Bangalore. M. You know.
I'm doing a couple of solo shows in Mumbai on 6th and 7th July. Mumbai
Yes.
on 6th and Thane on 7th. So come for either.
Come for either, and if you're not going to Mangalore, fly down to Mangalore. Must shetty food we'll eat.
Oh yeah.
Some
do that.
nice.
Or come to Thane. We'll eat Thane food. Whatever.
Thane, yes.
Alright?
Mamledar missile in Thane.
Yeah.
Super spicy. You know.
I've been there once. It's awesome.
Book a toilet for yourself after that, like just a toilet.
Oh yes,
yes.
and watch our producer's podcast.
Antriksh.
That's really what this is about.
Yeah.
He's gonna cut everything else out if we don't say that. So please watch
Please
that.
उसको देखो. तो आपको पता नहीं है, बट हमारी बीवी बच्चों को जो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते उनको बांध के रखा गया है behind these cameras. So we are kind of kidnapped and we are hostages.
So comment for better reach that we can reach our families
Families, yes. What is your podcast called now?
That filmy game.
That filmy game.
That
show.
Tucker YouTube channel.
अंतरिक्ष ठक्कर YouTube channel, that filmy game show.
That's right.
ठीक है. All right.
Congratulations, everybody.
Congo
We did it.
guys.
We did it.
Congo, Uganda, Nepal. See you guys. Bye bye.
See you next week.